Hornblende. Hornblende is a group name used to describe ferro-hornblende and magnesio-hornblende, but the term is generally more inclusive for all calcium aluminum amphiboles. Hornblende is frequently also used to describe any dark opaque amphibole mineral without individual analysis. The individual hornblende minerals appear very similar and can be virtually indistinguishable without complex analysis, and are often just grouped under a hornblende label without further distinguishing. Hornblende is a major constituent of the earth and is extremely common. It forms in a host of different mineral environments and is often a major constituent of the rock type it forms in. Hornblende is a rock forming mineral and it even constitutes its own rock type known as hornblendite, a dark rock formed mostly from hornblende. Hornblende is named after the German term Horn, referring to its color, and Blenden, meaning deceiver, alluding to its habit of being confused with ore metals due to its dark color and luster. Its typical dark color and opacity are usually caused by iron in its structure.